testing something called the differential distance device. This may be the first sign of complete success or nearly complete success with perpetual motion pendulums. We can see that when it's applied on a slope, it will go down the slope and lift the ball all the way up the slope. This is rather remarkable. You can see it only requires sideways pressure, doesn't require downwards pressure. And we can see that it pretty much fully returns. That's pretty interesting. Only applying horizontal force and length not if but 1/6, it actually is able to fully return, or maybe even better than not if but 1/6. That's pretty interesting. Thanks. Possible sign of definite principles for perpetual motion. So thanks a lot for watching.